Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Geek channel where we dive straight into the tool that can help you transform your trading experience. Today I'm going to show you how you can effectively place trades on your trading view. Imagine being able to analyze your charts and executing trade instantly, no switching platform, no delay. With TradingView broker integration, you can streamline your trading process and make faster and smarter trading decisions. You can streamline your trading process and make smarter decisions. In this video, you will learn a step-by-step process on how to connect your broker to TradingView and how to start buying and selling directly from your chart. This setup is perfect for scalpers who need precision and speed to capitalize on quick market movements. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned trader, mastering this feature will elevate your trading game. So stay tuned until the end because I would share some essential tips to ensure your setup is secure and optimized for success. Let's get started. How do we place trade directly on the trading view? We start by connecting our trading view to our broker to buy and sell. Directly from your chart, one of the most effective way to execute your strategy today is by I would walk you through the complete process to connect your broker to your trading view and place your trades without ever leaving this platform. This integration will streamline your workflow and po ten tially improve your trading performance. Setting up your trading view to connect your broker, first of all you will need to ensure that you have properly configured your trading view account. If you are new to trading view, you will need to create an account first. For existing users, you will need to log in, and I'm already logged in. This is my account already. I'm already logged in. If you want to log in, it is quite easy. You would see a login button here. All you will need to do is to log in to your broker. Once you have logged into your broker, you would see your account name at that area. Now that your account is ready, since I'm logged in, you would have to open any chart on TradingView. This is the chart I'm using on TradingView. This is my Bitcoin. When you open the chart on TradingView, you have to look at the bottom panel of your screen. When you look at this bottom panel on your screen, you would have to tap on the trading panel. The bottom panel, you would see Pine Editor, Strategy Tester, Replay Trading, and Trading Panel. This trading panel is where you see the list of brokers that TradingView supports. If the trading panel is too small, you can always adjust it. You can adjust it this way or like this, however you choose, however you please. It will show you a list of brokers that are here and available for TradingView. All you need to do is to locate your own broker and click the connect button. Now this is the broker I'm using, Pepperstone. And now once I click the connect button, it will automatically log me in because I'm already signed in. But if you are not logged in, you will need to put in your details for the broker to log in. So for security reasons, I would avoid logging in my details here. For security reasons, TradingView uses secured authenticator protocol while connecting to your broker. Your credentials are encrypted and protected during this process. Once connected, you will see your broker name displayed in the trading panel, and your trade and you would and it will confirm that you have been connected successfully. As you can see, this is my broker name, Pepperstone, and it is being connected on the TradingView panel. You can take your time to verify your TradingView credentials to see that if you are really logged into your account. But as you can see, if you are not logged in, you wouldn't see anything at this point. You would not see any account here. But once you are logged in, you can see it, and at the same time you can also adjust it to see your previous position size, your history, and so on and so forth. So this is my account already. Now let's see how we can place orders in this market. To place orders in this market is quite simple. All you will need to do is you would analyze your market. Let's look at the BTC. Let's use BTC to make it easier for us. If I've analyzed the market and I would want to execute an instant buy to this market, I would just need to come here. I will need to come here. You can right click. I will need to add my order. I'll go to market order and I will adjust my lot. Let's say I want to use 0.5 for this trade. I can set my stop loss. I can set my buy limit. I can set my stop loss and take profits, but I would prefer to adjust it from the chart. So once you have set your lot size to 0.5, you click on buy. Once you have clicked on buy, it is meant to execute, but I don't know why it's not executing here. But once you have clicked on that, it will buy your trade instantly. Give me a second. I don't really know why it's not buying. Maybe it's because this is a Sunday, but Sundays you can be able to trade your cryptocurrency pairs, but I don't know why I'm not able to trade this on a Sunday. Anyways, let's continue. This is for your buy. This is for your market execution. If you would want to execute immediately, you can press your buy from here. It will take you to where you automatically adjust your lot size. If you'd want to use your buy limit, it is quite easy. Buy limit is you can adjust it from here wherever you want to enter immediately. Let's assume I would want to buy I want to buy at somewhere let's say I want to buy at somewhere here. I can put my buy limit below so that when price taps me in, I will be in the market. My stop loss, I just adjust my stop loss to wherever I want it to be. This is where my stop loss wants to be. Then you adjust your take profit to wherever you want to put it to. You can buy it to once you have set it, you can press buy and it will automatically set it at that area. I told you it is rejecting. I don't know why my broker is rejecting the order. But this is exactly how you set your buy limit. Now, in case you would want to use a buy stop, it's still the same process. You press your buy, you go to the stop region, the buy limit. In case you do not want to adjust it manually from here, automatically from here, meaning you drag the stop loss and the take profit, you can actually just impute price at what point you want price to enter. At that point you put your stop loss there and you put your take profit too at this place. This is how you set it. Then you click on the buy or the sell. If you sell, you click on sell here before you try to execute your plan. This is basically how to use our limit orders, how to use our stop orders, and how to use our market execution. Don't forget that you would have to always put your stop loss because it's always good to trade using stop orders. Stop orders are very important. Remember, proper risk management is crucial for trading success. TradingView makes it easier to set stop loss and stop levels directly from your orders. This is what I'm saying. You just need to adjust it directly from your order. This is how you would adjust it however you want it to be. This is our take profit. You adjust it from your order. Once you have activated your trade, you can manage them directly from your trading view. If you have if we have taken this trade, it would have been easier for us to manage it because we would see our position size here. It will be displayed here. As you can see, there is no position size in your trading account. It will show you whether you are in profit or whether you are in loss, how many percentage. It has already automatically calculated everything for you, as you can see them in this area. This is where it will show your details. So it is very easy and very unique. You would see that you can always modify your stop loss. It's very easy. You just need to click on the trade, modify your stop loss by moving it up and down. You can put put it at break even. You can put it however you want it to be. This is how this is how we this is how we this is how we make it easy for ourselves. You monitor your trade, you close it when it's necessary to close it, and so on and so forth. Now, there are some security considerations you need to do when trading through TradingView. It's always good to consider the security should be top priority. You can enable your two-factor authenticator on both your TradingView and your broker accounts, regularly reviewing authorized applications linked to your broker, monitoring account activity for any suspicious transaction. You can also use strong and unique passwords to avoid anybody gaining access to your account. You can also keep API access limited to necessary permissions only. Never share your screen without showing your account without with your account details when streaming or recording trading sections. Like, I'm trying to avoid showing my account password and details when I was trying to log in. Now, in case you experience troubleshooting common issues you encounter with your broker connection, like connection issues, you just need to try log out completely from both TradingView and your account. How to log out? You just go to sign out and you click on it to sign you out totally. Then you try re-logging in. This is how to rectify that first issue. The second issue is execution issues. Other execution, you have to verify your account has sufficient funds and proper permission before trading. That's when you encounter such issues. Detailed Delayed data, you have to check if your subscription level is there. When you are using a premium account, you would not have any experience with delayed data. Your browser problem, try using a different browser or clear your chack. Account switching, to switch between accounts like demo and live, you have to log out completely first. This is how to resolve such issues. If the problem persists, you can always contact your broker support, your support team, or your TradingView customer service. Most issues can be resolved quickly with proper guidance. The last but not the least is disconnecting your broker. When you are done trading, it is a good practice to always disconnect your broker. How you disconnect your broker is to click on your broker name at the bottom corner and you will log out of Pepperstone. This is how you disconnect. It will confirm that you have been disconnected by writing connect through our trusted brokers. When you have seen this, you will know that yes, you have been disconnected. This step is particularly important if you are using a shared laptop or computer, or if you want to switch between different brokers. Alright traders, we have come to the end of this video. Engage with us in the comments below. We want to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out on more trading tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.